By pulsing the jet 500 times a second, it keeps its rear end just cool enough to prevent it being cooked. All kinds of insects have developed chemical weapons. A pair of devil riders stick insects. They fire bitter-tasting oils, terpenes. European wood ants under attack from a hungry crow. They fire the sort of acid that gives nettles their sting. So this is like one of us falling into a nettle patch. But the master of chemical warfare is the bombardier beetle. It can create a chemical reaction within its body so violent that boiling caustic liquid explodes out of its abdomen.